What's going on, friend? Are you looking to watch sports on your streaming device? I'll show you how to get applications on your device that you can't find in the App Store. Follow along, I'll show you how to do this on your device. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your streaming device tips and tricks and how-tos. First thing we need to do, highlight the search icon, and you can either pull down and in search, we can type in one word, downloader. D-O-W, downloader. We hit search. Downloader is this orange icon. Highlight it, select it. Here, highlight install and select it. This will put downloader right onto your device. Once it's installed, let's head to the home screen. We have one option to change. So hit the home button on our remote. So now we can head over to the settings icon. There's the quick settings button, select it, and then head over all settings, select it. We can come down to privacy, and we can go all the way down to the bottom to security. Slide over, and here, scan with Play Protect. We can turn this off so this doesn't remove any apps that we've downloaded. We can go back to the home screen, and we can look for downloader and open it up. So we can just come down to your apps and section, and all the way at the very end there, we have downloader. So select on it. Quick start guide, select OK. This is downloader. It works just like any web browser. So we can type in any URL, like for instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. But I have a quick code for you, which makes this so much easier. So if we just use our remote and slide up, we have a little red cursor, up, right, down, left. Works just like a mouse. We can go up, it'll highlight downloader, slide over one, and it'll highlight the search field. We can click it, and it brings up a keyboard. So we'll need to use the number sign for our short code, and it's 370178. Then we do the little check mark. There's a quick 5-second redirect. Please share this with a friend. Give me a thumbs up. Put a comment down below to tell me which is your favorite. Once the redirect's done and the page has started to load, we can head up over to the 3-dot button over there. And here it says add page to favorites. So we no longer have to remember the short code. We can just save this now. And when we're in that, when we come to the screen, you hit the 3 dots, favorites, and it gives us the option to load the website. So here in the page, we have some tutorials and how-tos and the applications. So if we head down, your online security is our utmost important. Take out your phone. This is already on your TV. Take a shot of this QR code with your phone. Get yourself 80% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Here we have the best apps for 2026. So the application, the first one I would highly suggest is Film. Select on it, and it'll automatically start downloading it to your device. Okay, here, downloader isn't authorized to download external applications. So we hit settings, and here it asks us to highlight downloader and turn it on. And then it's going to want to now install the application. And then we hit done. And here we can actually back out, delete the installation files we no longer need it, taking up space on our device. The next application I would suggest is we can do Flicks. Here we can come down, we can select one of the 2 versions, it automatically downloads it to our device. We say install, and here we can just highlight done, delete the installation file, confirm the delete. And we back out one more, And we can always try like T. Or option 2. Hit this, highlight the blue area and click on it. Install. We wait for it to install. And then just like the other ones, we're going to need to click Done, delete the installation file, and confirm the delete. So done. Delete the installation file, highlight delete, and confirm the delete. Going back out again. And there's a bunch of other applications we can always try out. If we're looking for dedicated sports, we can go down a little bit further. Best apps for live sports. The latest version. Click the blue button. Again, come down, slide over that. The download is started. Another easy application for us. Install. Wait a few moments for it to install. Highlight done. Delete the installation, confirm the delete, back out. Please check out all the other applications that are available. My final one I'm going to suggest, an oldie but a goodie. We got Kodi. We can head down. Click install. Highlight done. Delete the installation and confirm the delete. And we've got a bunch of applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports available. How to find them? It's just on the apps, just like downloader at the very end here. Here's all the applications that we downloaded. Now if we click on the Kodi, say continue. Here I usually say don't allow for recording audio, but you do need to say allow for movie, or you do need to say allow for it to access photos, media, and files. First run of Kodi takes a little bit, so please wait. We go to the settings, go all the way over to system, select it, come down to add-ons. Slide across with your remote, come down to unknown sources, turn that on. Say yes. Back out, come up to File Manager. Add, highlight, and click in there. We get a keyboard. We're going to type in this URL. I'll have it here displayed for you. HTTPS. So we need a colon, but we have a semicolon. In order to get a colon, just like a keyboard, hit the shift button. Then go over, hit the colon, // Then once you have it in, just go over to OK and click on it. Remember this file name. We can click OK. Now if you had something that came up to say no connection or internet lost or something, most likely you typed in the URL incorrectly. Back out, come to add-ons, zip, the name we called it, select it. We have an omega, select it. Give it a moment and it should pop up in the top right corner that it's ready. Repository, select it. We have our name. And here we come down to program add-ons. And our top one here, we can select on it. And then down at the bottom right, click install. Now it does come up with a couple extras, so we can just say OK. Here guys, it may take a little while. You may get some flashes on and off with the screen. It does have a little countdown percentage meter there. Once it reaches 100, we're ready to go. It usually goes 0 to 100 real quick. Once we get this screen, we know it is completed, so we can just hit the OK button on our remote. Wait a moment. And here it says, would you like to install one? Say yes. And here I would suggest, unless you have these options available, if you don't, follow along on our webpage to show you how. Or you can use one of the two. You can try any of them to make things easy. We'll try free. Would you like to proceed? Yes, continue. This does take a little while. It could take up to 5 minutes or more on your device, depending on your network speed. During this time, I'd really like to say thank you very much. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments, good or bad. I appreciate them all. You know, maybe you're having a bad day. You want to rang out on someone. Pick me. Go ahead. I don't care. I appreciate you. We're almost up to 10,000 on our Stream Direct site. That's crazy. Like, amazing. Let's keep it up. And also, I've always suggested get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. Yes, they are affiliate links, and yes, I do get a small commission to help keep the lights on. If you want to support the channel, please get yourself the VPN, use the link in the description below, or scan the QR code that's up on your TV. If not, that's okay with me too. I get thousands and thousands of views. Like, I just appreciate the views, okay? I want to keep doing this for you to help. And I am trying to work on some new versions. Trying to get some extra stuff out there. Like, on streaming device seems to be kicking ass versus the Fire Stick. So I'm going to do both. I might start doing this more because it seems to not have any laggy issues that the Fire Stick's been getting recently. So this section is the extracting. Once it hits 100, we're good to go. It wants to force close, so we'll click OK. And then you can go over, click on it. It's going to look a little different, but I think you'll enjoy it. Thank you very much again for watching. Appreciate you. Happy streaming. Peace.